I'm going to show you how to invest your money the easiest way possible, even if you're the laziest person out there. Investing money doesn't have to be complicated, and it's not just for financial experts or high rollers. This guide is specifically designed for those who consider themselves lazy or overwhelmed by the countless financial options out there. In this video, you will discover low-maintenance investment options like automated investing platforms, index funds, and robo-advisors. By the end, you will have the knowledge to start investing easily and effectively, even if you are a complete beginner. Fear often holds people back from investing. They worry about losing money, not knowing what they are doing, or the process being too complicated. But here is the reality. Not investing is actually riskier in the long run. By letting your money sit idle, you are essentially guaranteeing it will lose value over time due to inflation. Who wants to work hard only to see their savings slowly disappear? Many believe that investing requires a lot of time, effort, and expertise. That is simply not true. With the right strategies, you can invest easily and efficiently, even without a background in finance. It is not about being a genius or having a lot of money. It is about being consistent and patient. Another misconception is that investing is only for the wealthy. The truth is, you can start investing with very little money, even just a few dollars a month. The sooner you start, the better, thanks to the incredible power of compounding interest, which can significantly boost your long-term returns. Now imagine a way to invest that requires almost no effort on your part. Intrigued? Keep watching, because I will reveal methods that allow you to set it and forget it, letting your investments grow while you focus on other things. Let us explore some simple and easy ways to invest your money. First up are index funds. These funds track a particular market index, like the S&P 500, providing broad diversification and low fees. They are essentially a hands-off investment that requires very little maintenance. The best part? They have consistently outperformed more actively managed funds over the long term. Next, consider robo-advisors. These platforms use advanced algorithms to manage your investments for you, offering diversified portfolios with low fees. They are incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to set up an account and start investing in just a few minutes. Another effortless strategy is setting up automatic savings plans. You can arrange for a recurring transfer from your checking account to your investment account, letting your money grow over time. This approach takes advantage of dollar-cost averaging, reducing the impact of market volatility on your investments. But here is a fascinating fact. If you invested just $100 per month from age 25 to 65, assuming a moderate 5% annual return, you would have over $150,000 by the time you retire. Sounds too good to be true? It is the power of compounding at work, and it can make a massive difference in your financial future. In fact, saving just $5 per day amounts to $1,825 per year and over $60,000 in 30 years. That is the power of consistent investing, and it is accessible to anyone, regardless of income or financial knowledge. Before we continue, if you are finding this information valuable, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support helps us bring more practical tips on personal finance and investing. Now, you might be thinking, what if the market crashes? That is a valid concern. In just a moment, I will share how these investment strategies can help you weather market downturns with ease. The beauty of index funds and robo-advisors is that they offer diversification, spreading your investments across various assets to minimize risk. Additionally, by investing consistently over time, you benefit from purchasing assets at different price points, which can mitigate the effects of market volatility. Let us recap. We have discussed how easy it can be to invest your money, even if you are not a financial expert. We covered the best investment options for those seeking a no-fuss approach: index funds, robo-advisors, and automatic savings plans. We also saw how the power of compounding can significantly enhance your financial future. Start investing today, and you will be taking the first step toward financial freedom. Remember, it is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent and patient. Even a small effort can lead to substantial results over time. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. We would love to hear about your investing experiences or any tips you might have. Thank you for watching. Before you go, if you like this video, be sure to check out these other videos on personal finance, tips, and tricks. And if you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. See you in the next one.